Hi guys, this is Dalamar Continue and welcome to our video tutorial. On this video, we're going to talk about Introduction to C++ Programming. So what is C++? So C++ is a statically typed, compiled, general-purpose, case-sensitive, free-form programming language that supports procedural, object-oriented, and generic programming. So C++ is regarded as a middle-level language. So it comprises a combination of both high-level and low-level language features. So, ibig sabihin, nasa palagitnaan siya ni low-level at saka ni high-level language, kaya tinatawag siyang middle-level language. So, take note, a programming language is said to use static typing when type checking is performed during compile time as opposed to runtime. So, C++ was developed by Bjarne Stroustrup starting in 1979 at Bell Labs in Murray Hill, New Jersey as an enhancement to the C language and originally named C with classes, but later it was renamed C++ in 1983. So C++ is a superset of C, and that virtually any legal C program is a legal C++ program. So ibig sabihin, pwede ka magparaan ng C program mo sa C++, pero hindi ka pwede magparaan ng C++ sa C program kasi yung ibang mga libraries or mga features is hindi pa supported ni C. So, many of today's operating systems, system drivers, browsers, and games use C++ as their core language. So, this makes C++ one of the most popular language today. So, since it is an enhanced or extended version of C programming language, C and C++ are often denoted together as C or C++. So, don't be confused kapag may nakita kayong C or C++ kasi alam na natin ngayon na C, C++ is yung enhanced or extended version ni C. Kaya mostly pinagdikit na sila na kapag nag-write ka ng C program, pwede mong iparan sa C++. So ito po si Bjarne Stroustrup. So Arab English pronunciation would be Bjarne Stroustrup. So ito po siya. Then, history of C++. So, while Bjarne Stroustrup was working in ET&T Bell Labs in 1979, he faced difficulties in analyzing Unix kernel. So, for distributed systems. So, the current languages were either too slow or too low level. So, he set forward to create a new language. So, yun yung C++. So, Unix kernel is the central core of the operating system. So, it provides an interface to the hardware devices as well to the process, memory, and input-output management. So, for building this language, he chose C. So, why C? So, because it is a general-purpose language and it is very efficient as well as fast in its operation. So, he used his knowledge of object-oriented model from Simula or simulation language and began working on class extensions to C. So his aim was to create a language with far higher level of abstraction while retaining the efficiency of C. So Simula, so in 1767, short for simulation language, is generally accepted as being the first language with the primary features of object-oriented language. So it was created for making simulation programs in which what came to be called objects were the most important information representation. So this new programming language was named C with classes. Then it was later named or renamed to C++. So plus refers to the increment operator in C. So C++, so it's an incrementation of C. So the language was updated 3 major times in 2011, 2014, and 2017 to C++ 11, to C++ 14, and C++ 17, and so on. Then, uses of C++. So, C++ is used by programmers to create computer software. So, it is used to create general system software, drivers for various computer devices, software for servers, and software for specific applications, and also widely used in creation of video games. Mostly, ginagamit siya sa video game creation, so mga laro. So ginagamit siya sa game developing or game developer, ginagamit siya ng mga game developer. Then C++ is used by many programmers in different types and coming from different fields. So C++ is mostly used to write device driver programs, system software, and application that depend on the direct hardware manipulation under real-time constraints. So it is also used to teach the basics of object-oriented features because it is simple and it is used in the fields of research. Also, primary user interfaces and system files of Windows and Macintosh are written using C++. So, C++ is really a popular, strong, and frequently used programming language of this modern programming era. So, why use C++? Because C++ is one of the world's most popular programming language. Then, C++ can be found in today's operating systems, sa graphical user interfaces, and embedded systems because kaya kadalasan sa ginagamit sa mga devices, yung device-related, mga drivers, and etc. So, C++ is an object-oriented programming language which gives a clear structure to programs and allows code to be reused, lowering development costs. So, again, CC in-upgrade siya, dinagdagan ng mga features, example, sa object-oriented. So, kaya C++ is an object-oriented programming language. So, C++ is portable and can be used to develop applications that can be adapted to multiple platforms. So, C++ is fun and easy to learn. So, kasi, yung CC, in-upgrade siya. So, as we all know, CC is one of our foundation para kung gusto natin mag-start sa programming language. Kasi siya yung kasi mostly mga programming language is derived from C or C++ programming language. So, sila yung mga origin. Then, as C++ is close to C# and Java. So, it makes it easy for programmers to switch to C++ or vice versa. Kasi, yung mostly mga programming language ngayon is mostly derived or nagkuha sila ng inspiration sa ating C or C++. So, kung marunong ka na ng C++, madali ka lang mag-switch or matuto ng C# or Java or kahit anong mga language kasi mostly parehas lang yung mga structure nila and vice versa. So, simple C++ program. So, the program prints hello world in the output screen. So, ito po yung ating sharp include iostream, then using namespace td, semicolon, int min, then yung ating cout para ma-print natin or mapa-output natin si hello world, then return 0, then yung ating closing brace. So, this end our lesson. So, see you sa next video tutorial natin.